Hey everyone, welcome back. If you need to bring data from SharePoint Online into Power BI for smarter insights and reporting, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to connect Power BI to your SharePoint Online site. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few things you'll want to look out for along the way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly import data from SharePoint Online and be ready to create custom visuals and dashboards for your team or organization. Alright, let's get started. First up, make sure you have access to Power BI. If it's your first time, you can simply search for Power BI and open the app either in your browser or by launching the desktop version. Now, this part's really important. You'll need to sign in with an account that has an active Microsoft 365 license. That's because SharePoint Online sits within the 365 ecosystem, so only licensed users will be able to authenticate and pull data. If you're not sure about your license, you can always check with your IT admin or try signing in and see if you get any errors. Don't worry if you run into a sign-in prompt here, that's normal. Once you're in Power BI, look up at the top for the Home tab. This is kind of your control center for loading data into your projects. Under Home, you'll spot a button called Get Data. Go ahead and click on that. Now there's a bunch of options, but instead of scrolling, just use that handy search bar, type Share into the search box. That quick search will filter all the data connectors and help you find the right option much faster so you're not wading through a long list. You should see SharePoint Online List pop up as one of the results. Make sure you pick SharePoint Online List, not SharePoint Folder or SharePoint List. These might sound similar, but only the Online List connector is designed for modern SharePoint sites in Microsoft 365. Once you've selected SharePoint Online List, click Connect. Power BI will prompt you for your SharePoint site's URL. This is like giving the GPS coordinates for where your data lives. Now, it's crucial here to enter the precise site address, not just a folder or a document link. For example, if your SharePoint site is at https://yourcompanyname sharepoint.com/site/marketing, copy that entire URL and paste it in. It's okay if you're not sure exactly which URL to use. You can always navigate to your SharePoint site in your browser and then just copy the address from the top bar. Take your time here. Entering the wrong address will lead to errors, so double check and make sure you've got it right. After you've entered your site's URL, click OK. At this point, Power BI will start connecting to SharePoint and load a list of available data sets. Sometimes this takes a minute or two depending on how much data you've got, so don't worry if it's not immediate. Power BI will show you all the lists within your SharePoint site. These might be things like task lists, contact lists, project details, or whatever your organization uses. From here, you'll be able to select exactly which list you want to pull into your report. And that's it, you've established your connection. Now you can start transforming, visualizing, and making sense of your SharePoint data right inside Power BI. If you're new to this process, it's totally normal to hit a few hiccups the first time through. Just be patient and remember these basics. Use the right account, pick SharePoint Online List, and double-check your URL. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to drop any questions in the comments below. I always read them and I'm happy to help. For more step-by-step guides and Power BI tips, hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next tutorial.